guys, welcome again to a new lesson of quilling paper art. Today I want to continue our series about how to make simple quilling paper flowers. For now I will focus on how to make the quilling bell flowers, which is pretty simple, but any design needs a simple details to complete a whole project or a whole design. So after that I will collect all my flowers and these that I have been working on to build my design. And here I will share with you my basket that I keep my supplies and the flowers that I have been working on. So, and for this lesson, as I mentioned, I will work on how to make quilling bell flowers. So keep practicing and have fun. Thank you so much and have a great day.